Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I want to show you a simple method, okay, how you can make $100 a day, $200 a day, even $300 a day, okay, just only by using Instagram. All right, what I want to show you has worked very good for me. All right, so I'm very sure if you put effort when you start implementing this method, I'm very sure you will begin to see result as soon as even some days, a few days. All right, you'll begin to see the result. And make sure you take note on every method I'm going to show you today. Make sure you take note, and the most important thing is that I want you to implement this method, and I can guarantee you are going to see result as soon as possible. But mind you, it takes a little bit work. All right, this is not a get rich fast method. All right, you have to put a little bit work into this so it can you can start to see the result. Okay, so let's jump into my computer now. I'm going to show you how this method works. Welcome once again, everybody. So on today's method, I want to show you this simple method that you can use to make $100 a day or even more. Okay, before we dive into today's video, if you don't know me, if you're new to my channel, my name is Tosin. I make video on how to make money online every day. Okay, so you want to make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell button, so every time when I make video like this, you'll be the first person to get notified. All right, and make sure you leave comment on this video, give this video a thumbs up. All right, let's dive into today's video. First of all, there's these steps you need to make money with Instagram. The first step is that you need an Instagram account. All right, you need an Instagram account to make this method works. All right, I'll show you in a minute how and what type of account you want to open. It depends on what kind of niche you want to promote, because we're going to promote affiliate product. Okay, for you those who don't know what is affiliate product is that you don't hold any product. Okay, you want to promote product from other company, and you get at the end you get per sale commission. Okay, per sales, I mean per product you sell, you get commission for this. All right, so into today's method, how we're going to do is that we need, first of all, Instagram account. Okay, and also we need a affiliate product. Okay, in a minute I will show you where we can get affiliate product, but first of all, let me show you the kind of for this video, I newly upload Instagram account. Okay, I newly opened this Instagram account today. As you can see, I have not post now on it. Okay, and that is one. And the second step is that we want to look for affiliate product. In this case, I use Amazon associate. Okay, I promote Amazon product. I newly opened an Amazon account. Okay, so let me see this. Let me just, yeah, let's go now to, want to go to Amazon.com to find product. We go to Amazon.com. So as you can see, once again, let me just show you something. This Instagram page I open is based on making money online. All right, guys, it's about making money online. So this niche is going to be cool for the product I want to promote. I'm already start promoting it on my page, and this is a Amazon book. All right, so first of all, you want to, when you open this page on Instagram, okay, you want to go to edit profile. You want to try and set your profile. Okay, and set your bio. It have to looks like this. All right, guys, and after then yeah, and after then you verify your email address, and we're ready to use this page. Okay, but now we want to look for product that we want to promote, all right, on this page. So we now go to Amazon, all right, and for example, let's just this product I'm promoting on my page, on the page I newly opened, is called Rich Dad Poor Dad. All right, so this book is about a rich man and a poor man, I mean poor dad, teaching their kid, yeah, and this is this man here, teaching this man here on the difference between, I mean, on how to become rich. Do you understand things you need to do to become rich, and the difference between liability and assets? Do you understand? So this kind of book I'm promoting on this page. All right. So to promote this book, you just want to go to Google and click and search for Amazon Associate. All right, or you will also find it here if you go down on the Amazon page, I mean website. When you go down to the footer, you will find a place where it's written become an affiliate. All right, I already log in my account. All right, so let me just show you how, I mean, the product where how we can get the link for the product we want to promote. All right. Okay. So here already search for the book I want to promote. So I wrote the name on the search. Okay, and it's going to show. So I choose the first one. Okay, because there are many sellers selling this on Amazon, but you want to try and look for the affordable price for the people who are going to buy it. I mean, so you don't need to depend. I mean, what matters here is not the amount of the commission you're going to take. Okay, this is what I want to say. I mean, from experience here, okay, the less the price is, okay, the more possibility you're going to have the people will buy this product, and that means that when more people buy this product, you get more commission. It's more better and more profitable than when the product is so cost and few people buy this. Okay, and at the back end. So that is different. This is why I used to go for the least price. Okay, and you're going to come here and click on get link. All right. So it's going to show you that if you want a HTML link. All right. This is for, I mean, if you want to promote this on your blog post or on your website, so you can easily come here and choose the HTML code. Okay, I mean, copy the HTML code. Okay, for your website. All right. But in this case, we want just a link that we're going to put on our bio, all right, and on our Instagram bio. Okay, we want to click on get link. Okay, we click on the we click on the arrow here pointing to the pointing down. I mean the right button here beside the get link. We click on it. All right, and it's going to show us this link here. All right, this link is going to show us this powerful long link here. Okay, but beside it, you see it shows it's written. You can shorten the URL. Okay, because we can't use this URL. This URL is too long to use on Instagram, so we want to shorten the URL. Okay, and we have the shortened URL. With this shortened URL, we want to copy this shortened URL. All right, you want to copy this and then go to your Instagram page. You go to the bio, and you see the website area here. Yeah, you want to paste it here. All right, you paste it here and click submit. All right, and the profile is saved already. Yeah, that's how is it. This is how I want to do it, guys. Okay, and okay, to get more people on this Instagram page, you need to start posting. Okay, immediately. Once again, guys, what I want to know that this method I'm showing you needs a little bit effort. All right, you need to start posting on daily basis, okay, to get more eyeball on your Instagram page. All right, so to look for ideas of what we're going to post, we can go to search and write something. For example, make money online. As you can see, only on make money online hashtag we have 3 million posts, more than 3 million posts already on this. Okay, but this not we want to look for pages. All right, we want to look for pages. I mean, from Instagram, we want to look for pages that we can follow. Like, yeah, like this one here, make online entrepreneurs. Okay, this is a very good example. Okay, we want to follow this page. We want to try and follow this page, and to make our follower grow up, I mean, we want to go look for posts here. All right, we want to look for some of their posts like this here. Make a money saving idea, for example. Want to click on this. All right, so this one is it depends if you can do this very good with your smartphone. All right, so what I'm going to do here now is that I want to screenshot this post here. Okay, like this. I want to screenshot it and save it. I know, guys, you might be thinking this method is illegal, but I will show you now how you can use this method very good, and I mean how you can use it and I mean in a legal way. Okay, you want to now go to the real post. All right, you want to see what people are writing here. I mean, for example, you can see what you need to do to make this be legit. I mean, to make you be that you are allowed to use this post on your Instagram page post is that you want to make sure you mention this Instagram page where you get this post from. All right, like here, you just need to see their name here. Okay, you want to write something like this, that follow at online entrepreneurs for more. Okay, for example, you want to make sure you tag their name also in the post that you're going to post, and because you when you do it like this, okay, it makes the page get more exposure. Do you understand? And they get more followers with this also. So this is why it's okay with when you do it this way, how I say it. All right, and the next thing you want to do is that you want to try and check out the engagement on this post. All right, like for example, you see they have 3,000 likes. Okay, you want to go and look at the you want to make sure you follow people who like this post. You want to start following them. Okay, and this is how to get more followers too for your own Instagram page. Okay, you want to make sure you start following them, and you want to, yeah, this is how you need to be doing it every day. You want to make sure you create time for this, at least if it's just only 2 hours a day. It is also something. Okay, to grow, you need to start growing this page, okay, to the next level, so you can get more eyeballs on the product you're promoting. Okay, this method also work for food niche. Okay, let's just look for something food god. Okay, assuming you open a food niche page, okay, like this here, all right, and you want to promote some, maybe like you want to go to Amazon and click and look for maybe cookbook on Amazon, and then you can after you get the link, you can come here and then put the link and this in your bio. All right, so you want to if it's work for food niche, it's work for fitness niche. All you want to do is to start posting something relative to this niche that you are into. All right, and then build your followers, okay, to make more people see your post, okay, to get more awareness, okay, because through this, that's how people get their eyeballs into your the product you're promoting, okay, to get commission. So that's how it works, guys. Yeah, that's how it works, guys. All you want to do is that you make sure you post frequently, okay, and make sure you put in work at least if 2 hours, if not 2 hours every day on this your page, okay, so you can get many people, many eyeball onto the product you're promoting. All right, if you know you get value on this method, on this video, make sure you comment below, okay, and give this video a thumbs up. All right, if you're new to my channel, my name is Tosin. I create video every day on how to make money online. All right, and if you know you want to learn more strategies and method on how to earn money online, make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you click this notification bell button, so anytime when I make video like this, you'll be the first person to get notified. All right, and make sure you check the link in the description, okay, if you want to build more business online, okay, and I will see you in the next video.